Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Graphic Heart. Here on this channel I teach new advancement of AI technology and digital skill you will love. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and in this video tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use Leonardo AI. We will cover topics such as image generation, consistency in character design, and much more. Without further ado, let's get started.
After clicking on the link in the description, you will land here. So the first thing to do is to click on AI image generation. Alright, so here is the place to type your prompt, and this place you can add your image to make a consistent character. But firstly, let's work on how to generate images. So you can paste your prompt here. This is my prompt, and in this place you can select the preset. So maybe you want to go for lighting, cinematic, and other like that. So I'll click on lighting and I will go to style. You can choose any style of your choice. You can choose 3D render, you can choose broken, and I will choose cinematic. So the contrast, I will make it very medium. So you can click on the generation mode. Maybe you want it to fast or you want it to slow. So this is the dimension. Maybe you want to use it for YouTube size, or you want to make it like this. So, and you can still choose the number of image you want to generate. So I will click on 2. So the next thing to do is to click on generate. Alright, so this is the image. You can check it out. This is the image. So if I want to turn the image to animation, so you can see this one is download, this one is generate motion video, this one is upscaler, this one is edit canvas, and this one is delete. So I will click on generate motion video. So I will scroll this down and select the motion trend. So I'll make this one to be on 5. So I'll make it to be, I will click on generate. So I will use 25 credits for this if you want to do it so close. So this is the video. The video is still loading already. So you will be getting 150 credits every day, so every 24 hours. So once you generate any image, they will deduct 10, and if you generate a video, they will deduct 25. They will deduct 25. So now this is your video. So you can see the video. So you can click on this place to download it to your phone or to your system. And the next thing to do now is to generate a consistent character. So this is how we'll go about that. The first thing is to find your prompt. So this is my prompt here. This is the prompt that I want to use. Small boy dancing in studio. So I'll click on generate. So can you see this image? So I will use this image, or I will upload. So I will click on this image icon. So I will click on character preference, and here in this place I will upload from my system, or I'll click on your generation. So this is the image I want to use as reference. So I'll click on it, farm. So after that I will change this prompt. You know, this is dancing, so I will change this one to maybe 18. Let me just say 18. So I'll click on generate. So can you see this and this? Can you see that this is the same face? So you can check this out also. Can you see everything is the same thing? So you can generate it for anything. So let me change this eating to, let me change it to walking. Alright, so can you check this also? You can see everything is the same thing. You can see it, and you can do it to get all the images you want.